Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Hevy Workout App. First, you need to download and install the Hevy Workout App from your device's App Store. Once the app is installed, open it. You will see the option to sign up. Tap on Sign Up and follow the steps to create your account. The app will ask you a few simple questions. You will be asked if you prefer to use kilograms or pounds for weight and kilometers or miles for distance. After entering this information, tap on Sign In to enter the app. Once you are signed in, you will see the main screen. Here, you have the option to add exercises. Tap on Add Exercise to start. You can add any exercise you want. For example, if you want to track bench press, select it. Then enter the values for your workout. This includes the weight you are lifting and other details the app asks for. After you finish entering your information, tap on Finish at the top of the screen. Your exercise will now be saved in the app and you can track your progress over time. The app also allows you to connect with other users. You can follow people on the app and see their routines. This is a good way to find new workouts and stay motivated. You can also invite your friends to join the app and share your routines with them. In addition to creating your own exercises, you can also browse pre-made routines. The app has many routines created by other users or trainers. You can follow these routines if you prefer a structured workout plan. This makes it easier to stay consistent with your training. Using it regularly will help you keep a clear record of your workouts and improvements over time. Thanks for watching.